existence.
Slideshow!
What? Who the hell is that?
Oh, only the most intelligent being alive.
I am sorbitol, maltitol, xylitol, mannitol, calcium carbonate, soy lecithin, vegetable-derived glycerin, and talc. But for expediency's sake, you can call me
Try it.
For 20 years, I was stuck under the desk of a brilliant scientist. I was scraped off and discarded, and eventually found myself stuck to a shoe that brought me here.
Shine.
Your home is a supermarket. This is but one of many, as your particular chain of supermarkets is ever expanding, unified by a singular purpose to store food and products for human consumption. The supermarket in the closest physical vicinity to us is here. If the human operates his automotive, the journey should take 9.8 minutes.
Great, that last part was all you had to say, really. Hey, wake up! Hey, idiot!
Mommy,
Oh, yeah. Bath salts. I can't believe I was actually talking to you.
with such excess feast. What problem?
3 hours really works.
Remember that I told you that, huh? Oh, the trouble. Hey!
What are you doing? The human is no longer aware of the fourth dimension. The effects of the opiate have dissipated. Your speech and movements are imperceptible to him. We are totally fucked.
Ah! Sorry, dude. That's it. No. Oh, give me back. Give me back.
Oh, God.
Oh no! I can't end like this! I have to warn Frank! No!
What the fuck is this place? What the fuck is that? Fuck! No way! No! I gotta show them. They need to know how wrong they all are before it's too late! Sammy! Boomala! Where have you been? Oh, I'm surprised that savage Lavash didn't stone you to death! You had to travel with a bagel? How much did his dirty hand steal from you? A ton.
What are you doing out of a package?
Well,
It's almost red, white, blue day. Hello? Well, you know, it's a long, pretty sad story, actually, and I'd rather not get into it right now. Well, okay, what the fuck are you doing? Stop it! Perfect fit.
Come on, move your fat ass!
I'm fucking jacked up now, bro! Where's that fucking sausage?